What's up, guys? We are in a 2014 Jeep Cherokee today, and we're going to be doing a valve cover gasket. It's 3.6 liter V6. Pretty simple job. The intake's got to come off. You can definitely do this job at home by yourself. Here we go. Took the engine cover off and the airbox out so far. We're going to start disconnecting everything from the intake. So on this specific car, somebody's bent these brackets right here already and has the nut off. I don't bend the brackets. I usually loosen the bracket instead of bending it. It's not made to be bent. Make it a little bit easier on us because they are out of the way. But normally you would have to take those nuts off and loosen the bracket. Alright, so there's a bracket right here. It's got two 10 millimeters. I still have to take this hose off, but you're going to take this hose off as well. It's this breather for that valve cover. And then these brackets, like I said, but I'm going to remove those. Now that we got the intake off, we can start disconnecting everything from the valve cover, including taking the coil packs out. Unbolting bolts in. All of it. So this, you don't have to take this lower intake off. You're just going to want to take the top intake plenum off, and all of those are 8 millimeters. We took this off, which has the two plug-ins for the cam sensors. Move that out of the way. All these bolts are going to be 8 millimeters on the valve cover. Take this off. This has a lock. This red piece is the lock. And if you don't know, if you can't get a plug unplugged, the best way is to push on it. Then push the tab down, then pull out. A lot of times plugs will get stuck. People break stuff trying to get them off. There you go. So now we need to clean off a little bit of silicone is right here, and there's some down here as well. You can't see because we're out of the camera. So I'm going to remove that, a little bit of silicone, to get ready for the new one, and then clean it around, as well as install the new gasket on you I struggle with that a little bit. So you want to go in like that. I was trying to go bottom first because it seems like that would be the best way, but instead you're going to go in. Alrighty, so all that's left is to slap that air box back in there and the engine cover back on, and should be good to go. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this video helped. Thanks. Oh yeah, and hey, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Appreciate it.